So I'm in the States right now, and I brought a few tools with me, figuring that I'm going to do a little bit of forging. I have a couple of anvils stored here at my friend's place. The one in front is exactly the same as my main anvil in Taiwan. And I have a bunch of other tools stored up here. In this box here, I'm not even sure what's in there. I'm going to have to dig through that and see what I've got. I was waiting on a gas forge that never came, but I also ordered one of these super mini coal/charcoal forges, and so we were doing a burn pile, and I thought, maybe I better get some of that charcoal because I might need that. This is mainly softwood and probably wouldn't last 5 minutes. So lucky I found that bag at Wally World. It's lumped charcoal and I think it's hardwood. And here's the super mini forge, which I'm unboxing right now. I bought this on a whim on Etsy, thinking that I could probably even drag it back to Taiwan. Oh, there are the parts. Everything's all really small. It's manufactured in India, and it seems to be pretty decently made. I paid $175, and that included the shipping. That may be a little bit steep, but prices of everything are really up, so I guess that's okay. It only took about 5 minutes to put together, and you can see there just how small it really is. It's been forever since I used a coal or charcoal forge, and so I'm really excited. The cranking action is rough, and when you stop, it doesn't freely rotate anymore. There are oil ports located right there, so if I give that some oiling, it might improve that a little bit. I'm really operating in the most bare bones way possible. It makes my Taiwan setup look elaborate, which you know it's not. I was kind of surprised by how quickly it got up to heat. I'm going to see if I can heat treat those fullering tool dies. After shooting this, I noticed that I'm turning the impellers in the opposite direction to the arrow. It took a few minutes, and it's not very evenly heated, but I got up to critical temperature, no problem. So next I just try heating a piece of rebar, see how hot I can get it. Main issue I see with this small bowl is getting your workpiece in at the proper angle. But I have no problem getting up to a really high temperature. In fact, I think if the piece was small enough, I could probably forge weld with this little baby forge. In the next video, I'll use this small forge and this super bare bones setup to make a simple pair of rebar tongs. Catch you guys next time. Remember to head over to my spread shop, the link's in the description box, and pick up a t-shirt, a cap, or a mug, and help support the channel. Thanks very much.